So, if you're one of those people who still thinks AI copilots are just for writing code, well, think again. Because here in 2025, they're absolutely everywhere. And trust me, they're changing how all of us get our work done. Today, we're going to break down the top AI copilots that are here to save you from those tedious, soul crushing tasks. Okay, let's dive right in. You know that feeling, right? You're buried in a project, totally bogged down by some repetitive task, and that thought just pops into your head. Why am I still doing this by hand? It's a feeling we all know too well, that constant nagging friction in our day-to-day work. And these frustrations, they're universal. It really doesn't matter if you're a developer writing the same starter code for the 10th time, or a manager trying to make sense of a mountain of emails, or an engineer just hunting for one tiny error in a massive log file. It's all manual, repetitive work that just slows us down. That is the perfect question, isn't it? And the answer, of course, is a huge yes. This exact feeling, this exact frustration is precisely why AI copilots were created. So, what exactly is an AI copilot? Well, try to think of it less like another tool you have to learn and more like a brand new kind of professional teammate, one that's designed to fit right into your daily grind without a fuss. The key here, the most important word is embedded. See, this isn't another app you have to open or a different browser tab you need to switch to. An AI copilot lives right where you already work, and crucially, it understands the context of what you're doing in that very moment. And this, right here, is the fundamental difference. A general chatbot, like ChatGPT, it lives outside your applications. You have to stop what you're doing, go over to it, and feed it all the context it needs. A copilot, on the other hand, lives inside your tools. It already has the context, which makes it a super specialized assistant for your specific workflow. Okay, now that we've got that down, let's get to the main event and see how this all works in the real world. We're going to look at the top copilots making huge waves right now, each one tailored for a different kind of professional. First up, we have to talk about the one that really kicked this whole thing off and brought the concept into the mainstream for developers, GitHub Copilot. This tool pretty much single-handedly popularized the idea of having an AI pair programmer. GitHub Copilot is so much more than just fancy code autocomplete. With its chat and agents built right in, you can literally ask it to refactor a messy chunk of code or explain a complex algorithm in plain English. Imagine just typing a comment like, create a user login form with email and password validation, and then watching the correct code just appear. For developers, it really does feel like having a senior engineer sitting right there with you, ready to help at a moment's notice. Next up, for the millions of developers who live inside the JetBrains family of IDEs, we've got the JetBrains AI Assistant. This tool is all about deep, smart integration with your actual project. You'll notice it mentions specialized agents like Junie. Yeah, this isn't just one model, it's a whole suite of specialized tools. And its deep awareness of your entire codebase makes it an absolute monster for large-scale refactoring. It can understand and untangle complex dependencies across your entire project that would take a human developer hours, if not days, to figure out by hand. All right, let's switch gears from code to productivity, because this is where the Copilot story really expands beyond developers and into everyone's workflow. For the millions of us working in Word, Excel, and Teams every single day, there's Microsoft 365 Copilot. What makes this thing so unbelievably powerful is its connection to the Microsoft Graph. Think of the graph as the secure, connective brain for all of your organization's data. This means when you ask Copilot to summarize a project status, it's not just guessing based on the public internet. Nope, it's securely accessing your emails, your documents, and your meeting transcripts to give you answers that are grounded in your team's actual work. Now, let's head into the cloud. For anyone building on Amazon Web Services, Amazon Q Developer is quickly becoming a must-have tool for navigating all that complexity. The best way to think of Amazon Q is like having an AWS expert on call 24/7. It can help you choose the right server for a workload, troubleshoot some cryptic network error, or even help upgrade an entire Java application. And because it lives both in your code editor and the AWS console, it perfectly bridges that critical gap between writing code and actually managing your cloud infrastructure. And for our final tool, we're moving into the absolutely critical world of cybersecurity with the Microsoft Security Copilot. This is a game changer for security teams who are often just drowning in alerts. Instead of getting yet another notification, an analyst can now ask the Security Copilot to investigate it. It can reverse engineer a malicious script, connect an incident with global threat data, and summarize what's happening in plain English. It's all about empowering defenders to operate at machine speed. So we've seen what these incredible tools can do, but how do they actually pull it off? Let's quickly peek behind the curtain, and I promise we won't get lost in all the technical jargon. It really just boils down to 3 simple steps. First, the Copilot sees the immediate context of your work. Second, it sends that context to a powerful large language model to think about it and generate a helpful response. And third, and this is absolutely critical for any company using these tools, it strictly respects your security permissions. It will only ever see and use data that you yourself already have access to. I just love this analogy because it perfectly captures the whole idea. It's like having an incredibly fast, super knowledgeable teammate who has instant recall of all the important information, ready to help you with whatever you're working on right now. So, after seeing all these amazing tools, what's the big takeaway here? How should we really be thinking about the role these new AI teammates are playing in our professional lives? This really gets to the heart of it. This isn't about replacing people. It's about making them better. Copilots are designed to remove that annoying friction, all the repetitive tasks and constant context switching that slows every single one of us down. They basically turn our passive tools into active, collaborative teammates. So as we wrap this up, let's leave with this final thought. We are past the point of asking if these tools are useful. The real question for all of us heading into 2025 is, which one is the right teammate for your workflow? For more tech explainers and developer roadmaps, be sure to subscribe to us on the Duo Blocks at X YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.